coming pretty soon.
We are.
We just arrived in La Paz.
I've actually been on a lot of it.
On our second margarita, and we're swimming now. Okay? That's it. I guess everybody has their own way of relaxation.
Amazing.
I think it's amazing that you characters think you can swim as far as you can in the time that you can do it, just for the hell of it.
Historic event with a great group of guys and team here. That's what it's about. Cold beer with great friends, a nice meal, a good night's sleep, and then a 160-mile swim. Time photo.
Official starting line down there.
Oh, thanks. Well, we're really looking for some good times ahead and a
Great. All right, well, glad to be here with good friends, and even happier to have the seasick patch on.
lot of nature.
I was wearing last night, Emily.
I'm ready for 3, 4, possibly 5 of the best days of my life.
Life is a daring adventure, or it's nothing at all. It's like saltines. It's going to be just 1 sec. Oh, calm down.
Okay.
Throw one. Go. Life is a daring adventure, or it's nothing at all. Three minutes exactly. Hey, I'll give you a yell, okay?
Yep.
Gonna touch land and then away we go. All right, 6:41 a.m. the first leg.
Four hours, 11 miles.
Hey Scott, say hi. You're up next. You're up. Scott, you about ready to go in the water?
Ready, Vito.
Typical transition here. One guy comes out, one guy goes in.
Go get him, Scott. Good.
Off we go to the next one. 14 more times?
16 more times. 11 more times. Oh, awesome.
We are doing really well here. We got Scott in the water. We got the Mariana behind us. We just saw pilot whales, stingrays, manta rays. Life is everywhere, and we're just having a ball. And this is where we're going.
have to swim over there. It's only, what, 40 miles? Well, we're here having dinner night one, and Matt is watching what they watch at Stanford. And here we have our swimmer.
We're missing the best part of the cartoon. This is better door than a window. I look like I watch cartoons.
All right, what happened, Gordon?
So what happened is we started to lose track of the swimmers, and then the kayak was filling with water, so the inflatable went out to get the kayak. All hell broke loose, big seas, happy to be here.
Okay.
I was in the water, and I got to tell you that it was like swimming with a Christmas tree in your face, because everything was lit up like sparkles. I got hit with a sting, what do you call it?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish, which is like somebody sticks like an ice pick on your foot, which is fine, that's not a big deal. But the seas got so big that I was actually surfing down, trying to avoid the kayak, and it got dicey, and we could see the boat, but they couldn't see us. And the unanimous decision was made to abandon the...
You're the guy that made the call, right?
I did make the call. I looked out, I saw danger, I saw my good friend Vito. He was actually not in trouble, but he could have been in trouble. So we pulled the plug before anything dangerous happened.
All right, guys, well...
All right, I'm happy we're safe. I'm very disappointed. All right, well, we swam 15 hours and 39 minutes, and you've heard the safety story that it was just not safe out there, but we made it 40 nautical miles, which is about 48 English miles, in 15 and a half hours. So it was quite an adventure out there. We're really sad not to make it, but everybody's safe, which is important.
And what are you doing now?
Now I'm drinking some red wine with my buddy Vito, and the entire rest of night train is still night train. Live to swim another day.
Footprint here. I like totally worrying about like